Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are in the super minimalism house selling mode. The decluttering and moving stuff to my parents is going great. We sold big IBC totes on Craigslist, some stuff on Mercari, even a fancy keyboard on Reddit. This one I've been struggling to let go because it's a nice bike, it fits me really well, but I haven't done a triathlon in many years. There was a period where I was doing a half Ironman every year, but now I'm sticking mostly to running marathons once a year. So I think it is time to finally let it go. Let's do some research to see if anybody wants a fancy bike. Okay, according to Google AI, it's the standard Facebook groups. That's where I actually sold the K-Truck, couple special websites. Reddit seems to agree on Pro Closet and Buycycle. Let's go take some photos, post on all the things, and see what happens. It's been a couple days and we just heard back from TPC. Their cash offer is $1,800. When I was posting on Buycycle, their recommended price was $1,500. So I think the Pros Closet deal is pretty decent. I think my initial listing of $4,000 is way too high. So I'm gonna drop it to $3,000, maybe $25,000 to see if we could get somebody locally interested. Let's give that a few weeks. I'm gonna let the offer from the Procycle expire because we got a sale on Buycycle. I also like Buycycle better because they are sending me a box. With TPC, we are in charge of the shipping on our own. When I listed it at $3,000, there wasn't too much interest, but when I lowered it to $26,000, we got a couple of people interested, which is still significantly more than the $1,800 TPC was offering me. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm this offer and we wait for packaging. We got our box, we got our bike. It looks like there are some tutorial videos to watch on how to pack the bike. I also need to take photos and upload them before they send me a shipping label. Let's go wrap it up. I just watched all 6 videos. They're not very long, a few minutes each, but all very important. Let's go ahead and start with box assembly and preparing the bike. I got most of the packaging out. There are these 3 tabs that I folded and put in, taped down 1, 2, 3. Also did a tape along the vertical. This is for the wheel. I ripped those 3 pieces out. Gonna watch the video on this accordion thing again. I think that's pretty important, so I don't wanna mess that up. Gotta still do that 1 box for the other wheel. Let's keep going. This is what the accordion thing looks like. The video said to put the smaller flap on the drive side. It was a little loose here, so I added some of these foam spacers that came with the bike when I bought it. I think next we have to try to take this and angle it so it will fit in the box. The video says we probably don't need to take the back wheel off, but let's try to take this front mounting plate off.
This is what I ended up with. Probably a little overkill on the padding, but wanted to make sure everything is stable and steady, ready for transport. Nothing is rubbing, but also a little loose so we don't tug on these wires. Moment of truth, I think we are gonna try to get that into the big box. I had to take the seat post off because it was a little too tall. I put it right here in the front. The accordion thing, flaps fit nice and snug like how they are supposed to. Front tire is right there on non-drive side. I've been taking photos of the entire process. Buycycle wants us to do that. Bunch of accessories and tools that I'm probably not gonna use, so I will be sending those. Hopefully the new buyer enjoys it, along with this portable inner tube repair kit that I kind of put together with this multi-tool, bunch of kind of random accessories that came with the bike. Let's finish packing it up. I ran out of packaging tape, so we're gonna go buy some now. I had to use some of the masking tape for the little box there. I don't think they'll mind. This is the final product. Gonna close it up, wait for them to pick up in a couple days, upload the photos. We will see what happens. I just linked my bank information. It looks like everything should be paid out. No complaints from the buyer. I really enjoyed using Buycycle. When I was on TTC, I was a little stressed out how I was gonna get the box. I thought about maybe going to existing cycling shops and see if I could take one of theirs for free. But Buycycle sent a really nice box. I really liked their detailed videos on how to pack things correctly. I don't know if I'm gonna be using a fancy bike anytime soon, but if I do, I will happily use them again. Video 383 done.